traffic. What's the left looking like? Good old Pittsburgh rush hour traffic again. In Cali, I mean, shit, that's a ordinary thing. Sliding through traffic. People be sliding through traffic on the freeway, in the middle, straight down. But it looks pretty dangerous. But I mean, you got the people like dude back there on the phone. I mean, all it takes is a little move over while you're on the phone and, you know, throw you off. Oh yeah, for sure, no doubt. Good old Highmark Stadium, where the Pittsburgh Riverhounds are, where they play at. I don't know what's going on here today. Pittsburgh's finest out here, trying to protect and serve. Pittsburgh's finest. They want us to do every bit of 25, but we're doing every bit of 11 right now. Alright, that's about 25. I know, right? Right in front of the police. Yeah, buddy. It's like, you paying for it? Won't give me that money? Oh, look who it is. It's Rob. I haven't seen Rob in a long time. We're gonna run these bikes today. We are gonna run these bikes today. Who's ready to get smacked down? Somebody's getting smacked down. I was gonna say, you're out the question. Somebody's gonna get smacked down today. It's gonna be one of these two guys here. We just gotta find some open road. Stay tuned. We're gonna try to find a couple spots to open it up at. So we got my man Rob here on his 600, well, 650. We got Brandon up here on his 06 Kawi, it's a ZX6R basically. He got a different kind of gearing on that bike. think they're trying to run them